Hello, everyone. This is Natalia Ito, and I'm a CPA with Colorado CPA. It has been a really, really long time since I recorded the video. It's been a great year. We had a baby. We also moved to a new house, so I'm doing the video from the new home office. We have a deer in our backyard. It's an exciting place, and I'm here to talk about the tax planning. And I know we have about 10 days left before the end of 2021, but I still would like to share some ideas that you can still implement and perhaps save money on taxes in 2021. So the very first one is the revenue shifting. So what that means is basically if you have to send invoices, like today, tomorrow, this week, perhaps you might want to just kind of hold on to sending those invoices and, send the same invoices at in January, let's say, January 2nd, 3rd. So that way, you're going to get paid next year versus this year. And most of the business owners are cash basis taxpayers. So that means you're not going to recognize revenue for tax purposes until you receive cash. So if you haven't received the cash, there's no income. So kind of hold on to the invoices. The second thing is don't forget to contribute money to your retirement accounts. And again, depending on your business structure, if you are an S corporation, you should have a W-2, and you can either, implement a SEP IRA plan, or you can have a solo 401k if you have no employees, or a 401k. So if you have no employees, again, you can contribute to up to 25% of your FICA wages to a SEP IRA. And the time frame for this contribution is the earlier when you're going to file your business tax return, or when, or September 15th. That's for SCorp. You can also contribute to SEP IRA if you are Schedule C filer. And again, the deadline is when you're going to file your tax return, or October 15th. So you also, you can do a solo 401k, and that way, you can contribute money through the payroll, like $19,500, and then you can also do a 25% match of the FICA as a match contribution. So you can actually make a significant contribution, but that needs to be happening before the end of the year. So the next thing is, like, if you're running business as an LLC, Schedule C, and you made more than $40,000 in net income, we can help you to convert your business into an SCorp, and then we can do a retroactive S election. But you still have, again, 10 days to run a payroll to have a reasonable salary, and perhaps still implement your solo 401k. If you had children helping you in the business, and your children are under 18 years old, and you have your business as an LLC but not taxed as an SCorp, you can actually pay them from that LLC, and whatever the reasonable amount was, and that way, you're going to shift that income on them, and therefore, you're going to save money on the payroll taxes, like self-employment taxes, as well as income taxes. And the children will not be subject to payroll tax because they're under 18, and the payment is made from that LLC. They're not going to be paying taxes. Also, they will become, they will have earned income, meaning they will also be able to contribute money to a Roth IRA. Also, don't forget, if you have a high deductible health insurance, then you can contribute money to the health savings account. Charitable contributions, cash charitable contributions, non-cash charitable contributions. If you're using a standard deduction, you can deduct $300 as a cash contribution, charitable contribution, so you can contribute at least $300. Also, if you have a capital gains this year, make sure if you have some capital losses right now, perhaps you might want to sell some stocks and harvest those losses to offset your capital gains. Also, don't forget to write some home office deduction, like if you work from home, I work from home sometimes, just take the full square footage of your house and, the office, and allocate your expenses, your utilities, your mortgage interest expense, real estate taxes, property insurance, repairs and maintenance, and allocate that percentage to the home office. Also, don't forget to deduct the internet from the home office. auto mileage. And then also do not forget to apply for the PPP loan forgiveness if you haven't done so, if you have received the PPP loan. The amount of the amount forgiven is going to be a tax-free income to you. However, again, do not forget to apply for the loan forgiveness and, include it on the tax return as a tax-free income. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. We are a CPA firm in Colorado, Denver. It's a Colorado Business CPA. Our number is 1-800-5040-CPA. Thank you so much and have a great year. Bye-bye.